Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. In this video you will see how to crochet my unique motif that I created recently for you. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. Let's crochet the motif or element. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Make 14 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2. While making my stitches I remove a long piece of yarn. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Once I have done 14 single crochet into the ring, I am working by spiral direction. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Insert the hook into the back loop of this stitch. Make single crochet. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook. Work with the back loops only. Make half double crochet into the next back loop. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook, and make double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Keep working in this way till the single crochet. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain and double crochet into the next back loop. Chain. There is my stitch. There is my stitch before the half double crochet. Make double crochet into the back loop. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook. Make back post double crochet stitches. Like this. Chain of 2 and back post double crochet around the stitch that I did before. Here what I have. In total it should be 9 of them. I am done 2 and I need to crochet 7 more. Chain of 2 and back post double crochet, chain of 2 and 4, chain of 2, 5, chain of 2, 6, chain of 2, 7, chain of 2, 8, chain of 2, and 9. Let's stop and look what I have done. So my base for the segment or element is ready, or motif. In your case, you can do more back post double crochet or less. And I continue working on my motif. So I will work with reverse single crochet with puff stitches. Make a chain. So I will crochet puff stitch in backwards direction. Insert the hook like this, pull up a loop to the level of the chain. As you can see, there are 2 loops. So my yarn over and the previous loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain. My puff stitch is ready, made of 5 strings. Insert the hook into the double crochet and make the same. Make 5 strings, 1. In total it should be 5 of them. I'm done the first one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, make a chain. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop to the level of the chain. 1. Here what I have at this point. I have done 2 puff stitches. Let's crochet 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. The level of the strings should be the same. The level of the strings should be the same. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop of 1. Once I have done 3 puff stitches in backwards direction or in reverse direction, here what I have. In total it should be 9 of them. I have done 3. You should crochet 6 more. Once I have done 9 puff stitches, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Each puff stitch consists of 5 strings. You could stop at any stage of the project. You can stop here and you will get simple and unusual motif that you can use in Freeform or eyelash lace technique. Or you can continue with me. So I keep working on my motif. So I'm going to work in the same way, but I will do 3 strings. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, and insert the hook into stitch 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, then pull through, make a chain, and let's make the last one. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through, make a chain, make reverse single crochet. Let's stop and look. You can crochet more puff stitches, for example 10 or 11 or 9 puff stitches, or less, for example 5 or 7, then crochet small puff stitches for 3 strings. I remind you that crocheting is the art, so please use your imagination to create your personal project. Make reverse single crochet into the chain space and into the stitch. I will straight up my stitches, then make reverse single crochet into the stitch. Single crochet into the chain space and single crochet into the stitch. Keep working this way. So keep working in this way till the loops. Then I will show you what you need to do. Here what I have at this point. Once I have done all my reverse single crochet, and now I show you how to crochet reverse single crochet into loops. Work with 3 loops. Insert the hook into the 3 loop. Reverse single crochet, this is single crochet made in reverse direction. Like this. Like this. I remind you, I am working with each loop of my stitch. This is 3 loops. And insert the hook into the loop, make reverse single crochet and reverse single crochet into each 3 loop. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Once I have done a round of reverse single crochet trim, I just need to do one more stitch, and now I show you how to finish my motif. Insert the hook and make reverse single crochet. Make a chain to secure the yarn, and I already cut off the yarn. Insert the hook from the back. Take the working yarn, pull it through, and I removed the yarn on the back side of the work. I turn the work I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. I straighten up my stitches, and here how my motif looks like. Please remove the yarn by yourself. And let's stop and look what I have done. Here what I have at this point. My motif is ready. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. It could be perfect for beginners, but before this tutorial you should know how to crochet reverse single crochet, puff stitches, front post, back post double crochet, and single crochet. I would say this motif made in 3D style. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Use your imagination and take your favorite color of yarn and crochet hook to create your personal project. It could be perfect for Irish or guipure laces, or it could be separate motif. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this motif. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!